Tropical storm Elsa is moving up the Gulf Coast. It weakened overnight from a Category 1 hurricane and turned into a tropical storm again, but northwest Florida is expected to be exposed to winds of about 70 miles per hour. Elsa is expected to disembark on Wednesday morning in Florida's Big Bend. When Elsa approached on Tuesday, Tampa International Airport suspended all flights, schools and government offices in the Tampa area were closed, and most public events were postponed. Tornado warnings have been issued in several counties in northern Florida, including the Gainesville area. As the storm moves northeast, heavy rains and gusty winds are expected in northern Florida. Floods are also expected in the region. Governor Ron DeSantis said at a press conference this morning that there were no major structural damage or deaths from the hurricane. DeSantis said there were up to 26,000 customers in the region without electricity, most in Hillsborough, Pinellas and Polk counties that surround Tampa Bay. The teams worked to restore electricity. "We were lucky to see minimal damage and flooding this morning, but safety is important," said Tampa Mayor Jane Castor. According to forecasters, the storm was moving northward, almost parallel to the west coast of the state. Earlier Tuesday, Elsa swept past the Florida Keys, but did not strike directly at the low-lying island chain.